Aloha All-Stars, welcome to another edition of cooking. Today we are going to be making a BLT sandwich. For today's ingredients, you will need 2 pieces of bacon per person, or you can cut yours in half like I did. You'll need a slice of tomato, some green leaf lettuce, and you will also need 2 slices of bread per person and a little bit of mayonnaise. I have laid my bacon down flat here, and I've heated my pan to medium high, and I'm going to fry the bacon until it is a good, nice and crispy brown. So about 3 minutes on each side. This is what my finished bacon looks like, and let's move on to cutting our tomatoes. To cut our tomato, I like to use a bread knife. It makes it a lot easier because the tomato can be really slippery. It has these serrated edges and makes it easier for cutting bread and tomatoes. So I take it to the side after I've washed it, and you're gonna do a thin layer to take off the end, and then you're just gonna continue cutting it, making nice thin layers and using a sawing motion. Moving on to make our sandwich, we are going to toast our bread. So if you have a toaster, go ahead and put it in there. If you do not, you can use a stove top. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of mayonnaise, and you're gonna lightly coat the top of one side of your bread. And the side that you coat is the side that will go down onto the pan. My bread and the mayonnaise is on the top, and I'm gonna place that side down onto the pan to heat up lightly. And we're gonna toast it for a little over 30 seconds, and we're gonna do that to the other side before we make our sandwich. So I've washed my lettuce, and I'm just taking a paper towel to wipe down the excess water. And in my sandwich, I like to cut off the edges. So I'm gonna take that part, I'm gonna use the bread knife again, and I'm just gonna cut that piece off. So this is what my bread looks like after I've toasted it on the stove top. And we are going to get ready for making our sandwich. So in order to do that, you wanna prepare your lettuce, your bacon, and your tomato to make your BLT. Really simple. So we're gonna take our toasted bread, we're gonna turn it on the other side, and we're gonna, again, lightly coat it with just a little bit of mayonnaise on each side. And as an option, you can also add in a little bit of ketchup. I like to put a nice little circle on mine. Take my butter knife and blend it with the mayonnaise. Let's assemble our BLT. So the B is for bacon. So I'm gonna put my 2 pieces down, and I'm gonna actually add in 1 more piece. And then the L is for lettuce. We're gonna place that down. And the T is for tomato. I'm gonna put it right there in the middle and close our sandwich. And there you have it, a BLT. Thank you for joining me, All-Stars. I hope you enjoy your BLT sandwich, and I hope to see you soon in the kitchen. Aloha.